Hi everyone, and welcome back to this short and quick demo video for the Easy Settings plugin. This is a plugin that I designed to be reusable, encapsulated setting system that you can use across multiple projects. It is fully data driven. What you are seeing here is a simple scene on high quality preset in a survival game. So going through the settings, we have multiple categories and we have subcategories. And we can adjust the graphics, the motion blur, bloom, etc. All of these kind of things, audio sliders, and even input bindings that work with the enhanced image system. And of course, we have the categories or the kind of tabs are really up to you. You can add or remove depending on your game needs. For example, here I add the field of view is completely game specific, so you might have to implement them differently. And we have this nice checkbox. And anyway, we now, as you can now see, we have lowered the graphics quality preset. This lowered the LODs, the materials used, and removed the volumetric clouds. And now, if we exit the session, you will see that the settings have been saved to the editor, and if you re-enter the session, the game will actually preserve the last saved state. So this kind of plugin implements its own save and load system, and you can always discard any changes and return to the default values. This is really kind of standard feature expected from a setting plugin. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys really find this plugin helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. And until next time, take care.